I'm going to issue a challenge. A challenge. So let's pull up our challenges MD, and I believe that, let me just check here, title, description, percent, yep. All right, so what I would like for everybody to do is to, in the form, I would like for everybody to update the form to show percent complete as well as favorite. Now, I'm going to give you a hint. If we go to Angular Material, think about if you have something that is a number, what is a good representation of that, especially when it's 0 to 100? If you have something that is a Boolean value, such as true or false, what is an appropriate control for that? So inside of this challenge, I'm going to check this in. And just leave this here. I just want everybody to add these two form elements into the existing form that I'm going to check in and push up. But also a bonus, how can we edit a course in an without affecting the other representations? So I've already given you a hint. It's actually in the code. But what I would like for people to think about is when I start typing here, how do I keep this from happening? So thinking caps on, and this is the challenge. So two form controls, and think about how to do this without affecting the other representations of that's bound to it.